Friends, it's your girl Kelly Banks back with another YouTube video. Before we get into this wonderful video today, I need y'all to go ahead, hit that like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. Go ahead and hit it because I'm going to be dropping all the gems you need to be successful in today's climate. Today's video is really cool because we're talking about AI. No, I love tech, so I've been really diving into AI. Everybody's using it, right? Everybody's talking to ChatGPT every day. So it's like, how can we make AI work for us? So before we get into today's video on how to make your own AI little people just like this, I wanted to tell y'all about my community. It's called Elevation Station, and on there we're talking about all things elevating, motivating, gonna help each other get to a better place in life. Like, I got so many different things on there. The first thing that we talk about there is healing your mind, because if your mind is not right, it's really hard to do anything else. Like, trust me, y'all. You have to be focused. You have to have your mind on God for you to really elevate and reach those heights that y'all know y'all want to reach. Y'all can go ahead, join the community. I'm going to put the link in the description below. It's a free trial right now, so go ahead and see what it's about. I have different workbooks. I get on there live every week and answer any questions. And I can even answer if you have questions about this AI tool that I'm about to show y'all shortly. So go ahead, click the link. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm excited about this video. So on this video, I'm gonna need my laptop because I'm gonna show y'all how people are making these AI people that look just like humans, right? Like, that is pretty cool. I've been seeing them go viral. Like, they've been doing mukbangs, and I've been seeing TikTok pages and Instagram pages blow up. They look real, they talk real, and they look like they have pretty cool lives. So I did more digging, and I'm like, how are people making these AI people that look like real people? And one of the tools I seen was VEO. So I'm going to take you through VEO and show you how to make your own AI person. And it's pretty easy, I might say, so follow me. Okay, friends, so this is the VEO site. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can find it fairly easy. But as you can see, you're going to click into the Gemini side, and it's going to look somewhat like ChatGPT, but I need you guys to make sure that you are on the premium account. If you don't have the premium account, it's not going to make these 8-second videos. So they give you a free trial, try it out. But let's dive into how to actually make these videos come to life. So as you can see, the first place you're going to head to is ChatGPT, our good old friend. And what we're going to do is tell ChatGPT to make us a prompt to put into the VEO site. And I need you guys to check out this prompt. You have to be specific, especially on the age, the ethnicity, what you really want this AI person to say in 8 seconds. Make sure that you let chat know that you want this to be natural lighting and as real as possible. So here's the easy part. Copy it from chat and take it over to the VEO site and paste it in. Make sure you read over what you're telling VEO to do before you press send to make sure you get the best results. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm taking out any extra spaces, anything I really don't want it to say. And then once you press enter, it takes about 1 or 2 minutes for it to generate this video. And then look, this is so cool, you guys. This is magic.
AI is literally my new best friend, and it can be yours too. Follow us for more AI tips you don't want to miss.
This was so cool, you guys. You must admit this was super fast, super easy. And as you can see, you only get to make 3 videos a day. So use your credits wisely. Now it's time to use this for your business. How cool was that? Like, it was as simple as 1, 2, 3. You can use this tool to really grow your business. Say for example, if you want to sell a product, if you want to sell a service, you can use those AI people to announce your business. You can make a cool commercial, a cool marketing campaign where you don't have to do your own makeup, get a haircut, whatever you know that people need to do, you can make your AI person do it. So I think that's pretty cool, and it can save a lot of businesses time and effort. I always say there's nothing better than the human interaction, so I still like businesses marketing using real humans, but why not take advantage of this cool AI tool while it's out? Why not drive business? Why not use it for marketing? It's really easy, and if you have any questions about it, feel free to drop it in the comment below, and drop it in the comment if you want to see more videos helping you guys grow your business with AI. I wanted to really tell y'all more about the community that I started, the Elevation Station. It's a community for people who want to grow and elevate their life, whether that's financial, whether that's health, wealth, anything you can think of. It's a group of people who want to be in a better place than where they are at now. Think about it. What you do today is going to affect your future 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and you really want to make great decisions. Trust me, in today's climate, how things are super expensive, you want to make your money work for you. You want to feed your body the best and healthy things. So that's why I created the community Elevation Station, where not one are we getting our mind right, like we're focusing on our mind, making sure our spirit is right, making sure our body is right, we're putting the right things in our body, health. I also go over different workout exercises. Even if you don't have a gym, you can do these exercises. We also talk about finances, and that's a sticky subject for anybody, but it's like, how can we get better if we don't talk about it? So if you're in debt, if you have $1 to your name, $100,000, I believe that the Elevation Station can really help you take it to the next level. So check out the community. It is a free trial, 7 days. I'm excited to see y'all in there asking questions, and I'm going to be dropping also some AI tools in there. So some different prompts on how to elevate your business using AI, how to put your business on autopilot. So yeah, I have some free tools in the link as well. And I'm excited to work with you guys, help your business grow. If you don't have a business, like, I know this is pretty interesting to people, but if you stay ahead of the curve, AI will not take your job. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all comment below, subscribe, share this video,